Colton, you okay?
My paddle.
Your paddle's right over there.
Nice, but not get my paddle. Who else wants to do that?
Andrew's getting ready
That one's
to.
pretty fun. Daniel, want to try that one?
Maybe if we've got time. I'm feeling out-minded.
Man, this hurts.
What? Daniel, you should try that one. That one was a lot funner than the other.
Blake, sir, over here you look at it and you think you're seeing the reflection of the tree. You're actually seeing the roots.
Yeah. Well, we're watching fish swim over here.
Come on, Andrew! Don't want to do it again.
Colton, you swung out to about right here is where you swung. And then you went back in.
Yeah, those roots look a little bit more scary from here.
Do that?
Impaling rocks.
All right, we're ready. Is everybody ready? Here you go.
Go for it.
Uno, dos, go. Okay.
Woo!
Right here.
All right.